Welcome to fall 2018. One thing that's really trending right now is blue eyeshadow. I thought I would take this opportunity to share with you a way that everybody, all ages, can incorporate blue eyeshadow without looking over the top or too much, a way to softly incorporate it in your daily makeup routine or just for going out or just something a little different. Always fun to add a little color to your eyes. I just discovered a new makeup brand, new to me anyhow. I bought 3 colors and decided to use them in this tutorial. The makeup brand is ColourPop, and I was amazed at the price point on it. I think they were like $5 or $7 a shadow. I found them at Ulta, and the line is also all vegan, and I was really shocked at how pigmented their shadows are. I'm going to be using the colors Sailor, Coconut, and Million. Before I get started, make sure you do the most important thing, and that is to hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Till next time, I will see you all right back here on my channel.